Hey guys, it's Sinjin, and in today's video we're going to be making the whipped strawberry milk. It was inspired by that new coffee trend. The one that starts with a D. I'll find out how to pronounce it later. Hopefully this recipe is good because I do not want to waste food. Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and prepare this stuff. I'm going to show you guys all the ingredients you're going to be needing. I will show you guys the step-by-step process of this whipped strawberry milk. And let's get started. Alright, so you're gonna be needing some Strawberry Nesquik. Short story, I actually went to 5 stores looking for this because it's like pretty much sold out. I don't know why. If you want to use strawberries, you can. Be my guest. I don't know why they call them strawberries. I don't see no straws. You'll be needing some heavy whipping cream. You're gonna need some milk. You can use any kind of milk you prefer. I'm just gonna use Mr. Swiss because I didn't have time to go to the store, so don't tell nobody. Alright, step 1. You're gonna need a bowl, 2 tablespoons of your Strawberry Nesquik. And step 2, now you're gonna need half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Go ahead and pour that in. Alright, go ahead and grab your whisk and have fun stirring. Alright, so you're gonna be whipping it until it's like a nice fluffy whipped moment. Keep stirring, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Okay, she's a chef. Okay, if you have a whisk machine thingy or whatever it's called, you are so blessed. Okay, seriously, I do not have time for this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey guys, I'm almost there. Pray for me. This is what it's supposed to look like, I think. We're gonna grab our 1 cup of milk and we're gonna pour it into your cup. Just pour in your Dalgona. Oops. Oops. Okay, hold on. Amazing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Alright guys, this is the finished products. You have your whipped strawberry milk. I'm gonna go ahead and taste it now. Hopefully it's good. I don't have any straws, so I'm gonna use this spoon to stir it. Oh my god, I'm fucking spilling. Alright, taste test time. I like it, it's so good. Oh my god, it's amazing! Okay, don't mind me, I'm gonna finish this, okay? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the drink in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time.